How much of your blackjack winnings should you save for taxes? Have you ever thought about what happens to your blackjack winnings when tax season rolls around? It might not be the most exciting topic, but understanding how to save for taxes is essential for any serious player. Not planning for taxes is one of the biggest mistakes you can make in blackjack. So, how much should you save? First off, when you win at blackjack, you are responsible for reporting those winnings as income. Unlike some other gambling activities, casinos do not automatically withhold taxes on your blackjack winnings. This means that you need to take the initiative to set aside a portion of your winnings for taxes. A good rule of thumb is to save at least 24% of your net winnings. This percentage is based on the federal income tax rate for gambling winnings, which is typically the same as your ordinary income tax rate. Why save 24%? Well, the Internal Revenue Service requires gambling establishments to withhold that amount for winnings reported on specific forms. While blackjack winnings usually do not get reported this way, saving this amount helps you avoid a nasty surprise when tax time comes. It also keeps you from facing penalties for underpayment. Now, let's not forget about state taxes. Depending on where you live, you might owe additional taxes on your blackjack winnings. State tax rates can vary quite a bit, so it's wise to check your local regulations. If your state has income tax, consider saving even more than 24% to cover both federal and state obligations. Keeping track of your winnings and losses is another critical aspect of managing your bankroll and tax responsibilities. Make sure to document the dates and locations of your play, as well as the amounts you won and lost. This record keeping can help you when it comes time to file your taxes. You can even deduct your gambling losses up to the amount of your winnings if you itemize your deductions. So what should you do practically? Each time you leave the blackjack table with winnings, calculate your net profit. That means subtracting your bets from your winnings. Once you have that figure, set aside about 24% in a separate savings account specifically for taxes. If you owe state taxes, adjust that amount accordingly. When tax season arrives, report your total net gambling income and claim any losses to minimize your taxable amount. By planning ahead and saving a portion of your blackjack winnings for taxes, you can avoid surprises and manage your bankroll more effectively. This approach helps ensure you meet your tax obligations while still enjoying the game you love.